Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to prevent attacks from inserting malicious code on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To prevent attacks from inserting malicious code on Windows 11 computer, right click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left pane, click on Privacy and Security. Click on Windows Security. In Windows Security, click on Device Security. Here you will find Core Isolation. Click on Core Isolation Details. Here you will find Memory Integrity. Prevent attacks from inserting malicious code into high security process. Now it's turned off. Just click here to turn it on. Now click on yes. Now you need to restart your computer. Close Windows Security, close Settings, click on Start menu, click on Power, and then click on Restart. After restarting the computer, hope attacks from inserting malicious code is prevented on your Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.